Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y70 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more, so here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion, so let's tap on this. Here we are, now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big button at the center, so let me start to show you how it works. Now stop by tapping again on this button, and let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this one, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our slow motion video. Let's play it by tapping on the center. And this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.